Hello everyone and welcome to live trading and analysis with me, MINDBLOWING, and your Forex trader. I think we have everything in live Forex trading analysis, trade ideas for dollar, yen, euro, pound, and all those things you want to cover. My name is MINDBLOWING, Forex trader. I've been trading Forex for over 7 years now. I'm here to make you a better Forex trader, though you have to do the work. I just tell you what the work you should do, and we shall be profitable. Boom. Other than that, trading Forex is risky, not proper for everyone. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Whatever has happened in the past doesn't need to happen in the future. So great, fantastic. Oh, I have a wrong. I have the wrong background, but okay. Look at this. Look at this beauty. Okay. So where are we today? Hello, Alexandre. Alexander, we call him the big in Norway. Then we have Abbas, we have Hardik, and Matthews. So Hardik, if you're supposed to talk, and I just came home, I just ate, and I'm here now. So if you want to talk afterwards, or we can talk through this webinar, that's all totally up to you. Hello, Sanjay. Hope you're having a good day. Hope you are having a good day. Now, let's go through what has happened today so far. We have the yields falling today. We have DXY going up today. So that sets the scene. We have this price and we have this price. So we are technically still, I feel like this one is set to the higher side. So somebody asked me earlier today, this is set to the fall. Yeah, I don't like this second touch again up here, so I feel like this is going higher. Okay, so I know that's been questioned, and somewhere in my Discord channel someone asked that they wanted my view on it. Like what? GU, NU, and Aussie. Okay, right. So how's your trading day going today? Did you make any money today? Did you make any monies? Any coins? Let me see if I can put this one on. Let me tell you if this one is too high for you guys. I'll just turn down my own volume so don't hear it too high. But yeah, just tell me if that's too high for you. That shouldn't be too high for you. Hello. Yeah, so where are we going now? So we have 11 people here right now. Great. I want something from you. I want your trading pairs, and I want to know if your trading is going well or not so well. That doesn't matter what it is about, but I want to hear that, okay? I want to know trading pair you're looking into and how trading is going. So, I've just done DXY, I've done US yields, then we can do Australian dollar. First of all, I said yesterday, and I'm going to be true to my words, if we break below this one here, I'm not going to bother anymore. And I probably closed my entry, all of my entries from here at that point. Also, that has been provided in the Discord channel, I think it is, somewhere. Let's see if I can show it to you, that I've actually shown that to you guys. I think it's in trading. Is that Euro, Aussie, New Zealand? No, I didn't do Aussie. Okay, I will do Aussie then. I'll show Aussie, and then great. Now, what are we doing now? Where is this one going? Is this going to go higher? Is this going to go lower? I don't know. First of all, I don't know. We are somewhere in between, and we are somewhere in a place I don't care. So this is actually the buy. Great. but I don't like that. Well, it's just because I wanted to go higher half. The other question then is, how far low are we gonna go? How much lower are we going to go? So currently the retracement on this one is, I'm just need the percentages necessarily. So we have gone 50%, we could have gone 618. So, okay. What does that mean to you? That means to me that this is the buy zone, this is the sell zone, without even considering the weekly pivot points. Putting on the weekly pivot points as a sell price, as a buy price, great. All is good. We're now just in between. And for my case, we can actually go down here now at this rate and still be okay higher. Pound yen, please. Sanjay, how did your trade go from yesterday? I know I was hard on you on about pound yen. Now it's looking more better. The way the market pushed back immediately after small strength of USD still makes me confident USD will fall sometime soon. We are somewhere in the middle. Okay, great. So this trading pattern makes me, okay, I don't care. Okay? I don't really care so much about it anymore. I will then just wait for a higher low. I will wait for this kind of situation here. And I will take it from there. So I have taken a step back. So did we make any money on this one? Overall, probably ish, something small. It was some entries, some entries, some entries, and some entries. So yeah, overall okay for my personal move. But now so we talked about in the Discord channel for the mentorship students, we talked about 1, 2, 3 here. Okay, so this is 1, this is 2, this is 3 here, and in my case we have kind of breached 2 but still holding 2 somehow, and I do feel we're going back down to 3. What the result is then, I don't care anymore. I will just be waiting for that to go higher. Alright, so Aussie dollar equal neutral. Neutral until something has happened. If that will take days or weeks, I don't know. Euro. Euro is still holding, but weird. So if I was to get what I wanted to have this week would be, I would have the low here, then double bottom, higher, 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 low, continuation, higher. I would not have this bend here. That is not what I want to see. And you know what's going to happen next after this is fall. And if it comes down to 1800, that's the first target for the week. And then we can see if we end up on the monthly chart even. So be aware of the fall on euro could be larger if we break below her. But remember, this is the monthly target of 1800 or even 1700 is then likely to 1800 is then likely to be hit. Okay, just 1800, that's all. So I was bullish, I'm still bullish, but I'm waiting bull. I'm now again neutral. Come on, people. Like, who made you not talk today? What have I done now? Okay, we can always spice it up. I just lost two viewers there. We can always spice it up with a joke. Hardik, are you ready for a joke? I want you to say yes if you're ready for a joke. I can tell you a joke. I have found a new one in the cabinet. Rakshan says, I see a hammer on the 4 hour. On euro. What do you mean it's a hammer? Okay, this is the 4-hour. I don't see any hammers at all. I see indecision. An indecision. That's what I see, and then probably this is a reversal pattern-ish. But yeah. Yeah. So for euro currently, it's today gone range bound. Probably because that it will indicate sells or will indicate buys. Doesn't really matter because it all comes down to how do we act upon that. Now that we have gone into the buy zone, which I didn't want to happen because I wanted this to be the buy zone, then continuation higher. We are neutral. Don't really care. Don't really take things seriously anymore. All right. Fantastic. Great. Good. We all awesome on that? All right. Let's go. Yeah. I'm thinking Euro USD down to 1800. Though I don't want that to happen, but that's what I see right now. Okay, pound. You guys, you know me, right? So how do I trade? Double bottom, higher high, higher low. Higher high, higher low. A bit low, but no new higher high, and then we're coming back down here again. Oh no. Oh no. I don't like that. I don't want that. So yeah. Sanjay, can we do pound yen? We can. Well, you haven't answered my question so far, so I'm still waiting for you to answer my question. And when you answer my question, I will be happy to help you out. First of all, you have to help me out. So far, yeah, that is probably then sending this for the lower side. But then if we go into the sentiment report, which has been absolutely everywhere today, we have 23% in for buyers, 13% in for sellers. We have 17, 18 in for buyers, 21 in for sellers. So it's kind of more sellers now in euro, which would indicate a higher price tomorrow. But for Aussie, it's more buyers than sellers, so that would indicate that one going lower. And then we have, for example, pound gold. Okay. More sellers coming in apparently. Pound dollar just in between, but a bit more buyers will indicate this one to fall. New Zealand is then mostly shorted, but way more buyers coming in now. So I think it's everywhere right now. Right now, what we are seeing is we're going for bullish to bearish on the sentiment and back up again. Do you know what that means? That means the market doesn't exist. We are in a range. Okay, is that a market you want to be in? Probably not. So I might not get an entry until April now. I'm fearing that I don't get an entry until April. There's two options, 120 or 119 on a euro. But as per the COT report, 120, 119, 60, 75 sell. Wow. Down to 1835, 1800. Yeah, that's what I just said. GU, there's option of 1350. 3950 to 140. Sell with 50 pips stop loss down to 138, 137.40. If you are then going down to weekly target, which is around 137.60, that would fit your analysis. And you would also say that you would short off 140, 139.50. That's what you got today. So you're saying that you would short in this kind of area and then falling. Okay. We already done that. we've already done that entry. So yeah, okay, great. So I don't know, maybe the excitement is gone, maybe the fun is gone. It's difficult to keep up. But you know, this is not a fun game. This is persistence, and only the fun people comes back. So we now have to readjust. That's what I'm saying. For pound yen, we came down to the buy price for today, for this week. The first buy price to look for at 151.2860. We have rejected that area as buyers. We still have another one at 150.74. So I would probably also say that that entry is supposed to be 151 area, 150.20. Okay. And then stop loss below 150, and we're still looking for the higher side. This hasn't reversed yet, you know, because if you look, for example, here, so you have one top, double top, and then you never broke that level. So we haven't broken that level. So this is just a double top, by the way, people. And we can still continue higher in most cases. So yeah, that is a possibility of yen's strength. I can't see it on that index. I cannot see it on that yen index. So no, yen is not strengthening at the moment. Yen is actually falling. So it then has to be pound falling then. That's why pound yen fell. I'm a bull in general, but correction wise, yeah, it's correcting at the moment. Why I'm cautious, because 15,000 long close and 8,000 short. Well, it was just because it was very extended. So yeah. Maybe you want to sell this one. Okay. Totally up to you. Don't blame me if it goes wrong. That's all. What else are we supposed to do now? I don't have anything today, apparently. I'm sorry. You want to look at oil. That's true. Perfect sell at 65.45. 65.45 sell. And then stop loss above 66.40. 66.50. So is that a 100 pip thing? Yeah. So yeah, though this is not investment advice, it's only for education purposes. So only up to you, but technically yes, that could reverse. That's up to you if you want to take it. All right. So what are we as traders going to focus on? Good entries, good process, a good process. What is the process? Following the trend. Okay, we're following the trend. Is this following the trend to short it? Probably not, but it's already too high. It's already too hot. We are now seeing dollar strength, even though we would like to see dollar weakness. We haven't got down below 91.36, which is my new kind of conservative place I want dollar to go. Until that time, I will be adios, amigos. Is the music too high? Anyone? S&P 500 is trying to make a higher high. All-time high. Still supposed to send it higher, but stop hunt is most likely, yes. So I would love to put you into trades all the time, but I don't know if I'm allowed to, so I won't do it. This market is set to go higher. Okay, I don't know what kind of stop losses things you have, but this one's set to go higher. Unless you are on IC markets that didn't have this big spike. You now have Bitcoin falling again. Oh, you're wondering why, eh? Well, this is the buy zone if you're wondering. And yeah, we shall see if it continues. Remember, April for commodities, I'm only saying it. Be patient, don't lose sight. Don't let this take you down or take you in. Like, we're just at the start of something greater. As you can see here, we're coming down to 2 here, but I think this was gonna fall. So yeah, great. Hello, Babu. Patience is the key. But we might have been going high for too long now, so we might have a correction. Okay, then we have a correction. Euro USD is much more lower before falling. Pound, yeah, potentially, yeah. And then pound yen. Let's see if we can go to daily here. And then change that to bullish, bearish daily. As you can see, this is the first attempt to sell it in a downtrend. So, in an uptrend, sorry. So yeah, we shall see. If this is the top, it doesn't need to be the top. But if it then falls, that is going to be the killer for sellers. Not now, but tomorrow. Okay. New Zealand dollar is another one that is holding the buys, but it went a bit lower, indicating a double top. Now, I think it can finally fall. Yeah. So I want Aussie to go higher. I want Euro to go higher. I want Pound to go higher. I want Pound Yen to go higher. I want New Zealand dollar to go higher. I want USD CAD to go lower. But currently this one is too low. It hasn't even come up to the sell zone at 25.50. So currently it's just bathing somewhere down here. So that's not until that's a real sell we can sell it again. Arctic, are you still with me? You haven't commented lately. Yeah, okay. Should you hold it? Well, seasonality of nat gas is supposed to be higher at this point in time. So it's kind of risky to take it down. And as it might work, for that matter. But all depends on your risk tolerance. If it goes very fast in and out on profit. Yeah, we'll go there soon. So gold, mein Damen und Herren. See, also this one is trying to go higher. This one is properly reversed. This is a reversal. Like there is no jokes about there. So the only thing that's stopping it is actually dollar strength. So now it seems to have found some buyers. I think the next COT will be much better because this move here indicates somebody's buying it. And then, yeah, somebody's buying this one. As long as it's hold below above 1720, someone's buying it. Though, how do you trade this one now? You want it to go higher, and then you can take it higher. So right now, we're just waiting, 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 and waiting. So you want me to go to investing.com, and then what am I going to see there? What is the expectations for the biggest event this week? Is absolutely nothing. We don't expect anything at all. They might want to taper into yield curve control, but we don't really want that to happen. But yeah, so we shall see what happens. What else do we want to do today? So we have gone through Aussie, which is the buy area. This is the sell area. There might be the only one to sell might actually be pound between 138.90 up to 139.18 in that area here will be probably the only one to sell. But yeah, as long as it's below 39.40, after that we can go higher if it goes above that, but so far it's tilted to the lower side. Someone says some nice moves today. Well, I don't know if it was nice. I really didn't like those moves today. The other one is pound yen. Might also be the one next one to that might fall. Though. This is not a bearish market. If you sell here, and you're one of my and you work for me as trader, you are gonna get punished. Like I don't know what I will do with you, but you just can't sell there. No, I will take away a bonus. Like if you trade here, you're a terrible trader. If you sell here, there's no rules. It's only hopes. And yes, you might win, but what is the difference between this reversal here and that reversal and that reversal and that reversal? This is gambling. All right. So, generally speaking, this one is set to go higher. What else are we supposed to do? New Zealand yen. Okay. That worked out as a good buy yesterday. Pointed it as a buy, as a good buy. Okay. Great. Euro hasn't come down to the buy price yet, but great. Canadian did not come down to the buy price so far. And Aussie yen just tapped into it and went higher again. So the yen weakness is still continuing. I haven't, no, I'm not really into Bitcoin, but I have shown you a chart of Bitcoin for 2 minutes, and I guess that's enough for you. All right. So, generally speaking, the other question is there anyone who has made money lately? Like, some of you guys should be in profit. Like, it can't all be break-even trading here. So currently, silver and gold is looking to the high side. So there is some buying here because dollar is actually weakening at the moment. Actually, it's not going higher, so that doesn't make sense. But okay, so how does this thing look like for you? How do you look at this market? There's different ways to row, of course, as always. But first way to row is this one. Support, turning resistance, turning support, and going higher. The other one is this one. Probably another one up here. Support, resistance, support, resistance, support. How high are we gonna go? I'm not sure anymore, because we've already hit the week monthly. Are we maybe going up to 92 and 60 and then down again? Maybe. To say that DXY looks bearish, yeah, I can give you partial agreement. Okay. Because it can still go higher. Like I would say this is bullish without blinking. Though it can fall in a bullish market. That's why. Before it buys again. And I'm quite astonished that this new stimulus package hasn't given the weakness to the dollar as we would hope for. It has actually been rather opposite, actually dollar strength almost. So maybe you're just here to take out all the buyers, or give out all the buyers all the profits they want, and then just run it down. Maybe that's what they're going to do now. So yeah, we are, what I would call the market right now is caught in between the bark and the tree. Do I got any swing trade ideas? Mitchell Bolsey. Who are you? Where are you from? Yeah. Probably. Gambler is expecting a market crash soon. Don't listen too much to media. Don't listen too much to the media. Are we going to have a market crash? Though, first of all, I hate the word crash. Maybe the only thing that you can categorize as a crash might be March 2021, because that was some of those days were the highest record high movement in one singular day. I don't object to that. But now, normal market conditions is just normal market conditions. This is the market moving randomly. Great. The reason why I don't like market crash words is because it gives you an implied mental subconscious need to sell hard and big, subconscious, because we are going to crash. And crashes, it is more likely, the market's more likely to continue as it normally does than crash. You are referring to the Euro Swissy 2015 flash crash. Yeah, that is a crash. And that is fundamental change overnight. They couldn't. So what that did happen was the Swissy, the Swiss National Bank, had a true, was a 1.20 goal against the euro. So they were buying and buying and buying and buying and buying, keeping the market away from 1.2, buying euro, until they didn't have more Swiss franc to sell to buy the euro, until they stopped and it fell 2,000 pips in a split second. Is that going to happen this time around? Well, I don't know, but I don't really look forward for that. So this is what we're talking about. Then it went parabolic, yeah. Stops was not respected. People lost tons of money that day, and some people gained a ton of money that day. So we went back up to almost one. Went back up to 120 and then back down again. Okay, that was that. Are we going to do the same thing again? Euro strength and Swissy weakness, back up to 120. Probably, maybe. So that is the inherent risk in the market, where it happens things that we don't necessarily control. For euro to move 50 pips, it is absolutely normal. All right. So yeah. So I got a story for you guys. I don't know how interested you are into my life and my story. Maybe you don't even care, but I'm gonna tell you anyways because I care. Today I was out driving, and as I was out driving, I drove into the parking space for the grocery store. In Norway, car parking to grocery stores are absolutely terrible. So it's a small space with a lot of cars. So the car in front of me goes into this narrow lane because there's no markings or anything. It's just narrow because of cars everywhere to maximize space. But there comes a car against, because it's a horseshoe. Like it's a cars here, and some in the middle, and then the other side. So it's like a horseshoe. So he goes against traffic, quote unquote traffic. There's no rules, but it's against what people would normally do in traffic. And they almost hit each other, and they start arguing as they're driving, and they're waving and stuff. They're shouting. The car in front of me then decides, all right, let's reverse back up. So I started to honk as hard as I could because this guy is going to crash into the car. Like, what are you doing? What am I like? I'm just going to buy some food. Like, what's the matter with you? Like, why getting angry just because it was narrow? You guys, two big cars, that's how I call about it, was almost touching where they touched or whatever happened. Like, why is that going? Why am I the victim here? Because if that happens to the car, it has to go to the workshop. It has to be blah 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 insurance and blah blah. People might not even agree, and this is what would happen. And then it goes to insurance, and then you get 50-50. But even though he will be blamed because he reversed, and I also almost reversed, but then if I reverse into somebody behind me again, I will be the blame for hitting the car behind me again. All this is split seconds. It's a slow motion movie, but it's like, and probably is over in 3 seconds. Yeah, I live in Norway. So yeah. Hedge fund bankrupt? No, that's pretty crazy stuff. Yeah, but I don't think hedge funds do go bankrupt. They just ask for more money from their angels. Hashtag Robinhood. And without those Calvin. Yeah. I am also bull Euro 2021. But sometimes it might not be the market for you guys. So we'll just wait and see until we get better rainy days. Summa doesn't matter. Like, it's Norway. And I say that I come from Norway, and this is where I come from Norway. I come from this place. And currently, I live in this place. But yeah, if you want to send me parcels, if you want to send me wine, if you want to send me dates, cheers, I'll take it. And then every night, this is what I look at. A correction is valid, yes. It is. That is not Oslo cipher. So this is Norway, and this area I just showed you is up here in this area. Oh, it doesn't even want to. Okay. And then this is where I would like to go. I don't live there though. This I haven't gone to this one. This looks pretty good. This is pretty good. No, I just don't know what kind of. If you want to talk to me on private, some I will tell you. Or take my address. The problem is I don't know what kind of guys out there it's gonna rob me tomorrow. That's all. Some of the people in this live know where I live, so no, I don't really care too much about it. I hope there is no strange stalkers. I don't feel like I'm getting stalked because I don't feel like I'm famous either. So what we have 17 people in this live today right now. And if some of you is going to come to my house and say, "Hey, how are you doing, Ivan? Let's do some trading." Yeah, I will invite you in. We'll have coffee. We'll have fun. I will bring you some pizza. I will bring you some beer if you drink beer, and we will trade. I'll be best buddies. Born in Hungary, been to Norway. I hope to go there eventually. Yeah. Another one that you guys should really go to. And have you guys seen the latest Mission Impossible? That was actually recorded here. So Mission Impossible. So that's not too far away from me. I've been there. So we have here Mr. Bond. He's at the cliff, hanging outside the cliff. This cliff. And it's 200 to 300 meters down. So yeah, that's how Norway is. And yeah, this is pretty fantastic area to be. And I've been there. So yeah, that's a new view. It takes like 1.5 hours to walk in the forest. And all of a sudden, you're right there. So yeah. If I like meatballs, I love meatballs. But this is Norway. This is Norway commercial right now. I know that. I don't care. I did. I opened investing and what else? And can I go to some kind of forum? I don't know where the forum is even. Can you give me a link or something in the Discord channel? What did you do? Where did you do it? I don't know. I'll do it later. I don't think I have time now. Euro USD. So goes to Euro USD. Stick up. Analysis Forex. We can go to USD and then what? Just type USD on search. And then I have searched EUR/USD. So for that matter. Oh, there's a forum there. Okay. Yeah, I'm also confused. See? Yeah, but you said that you posted something here. I don't know where your name is from here. Yeah, I don't find you though. Don't find you though. But okay, well, I will talk to you about it soon later. So, what's next, people? What's next? Where are we gonna go next? What are we gonna do now? So, yeah. Okay, technically, how does this look like, really? Yeah. Technically, it looks like I want this to be tested again before going higher. Because if we just go higher from here, that'd be a very weird, very weird market. We can do some indices. And I'm getting tired, I'm sorry. Nasdaq going higher, as we would expect, hopefully, something. That has now bottomed out, buy, and buy. Okay. Where's it gonna go? I don't know. You tell me, maybe 13.655, 13.55. We have already retested, bro. Wait for a retest. This is the retest. This is the retest. There is no other retest. It is done. Woodsy. I can't do more than less than one. Bullish. Yeah, okay. Down to 23,700. Then higher. Nikkei. I did break down the downtrend. But yeah, still very good, very good, very good. Sell off here. Well, that's not supposed to be. It's supposed to be buying. So we're buying down at 29.30 and then higher. Ta-da! SPX was supposed to come down to 39.07 and then going higher. Supposed to. That's not the same as doing it, but that's what it was supposed to. Focus central bank meetings this week. Dollar index gained third day. Dollar up. Dollar versus yen hits highest since June. Bitcoin comes off highs for the weekend. Okay, yeah. Don't worry, mate. Yeah. Okay. I feel spent today. I do apologize if you feel like I'm a bit down. I have had multiple people telling me today that Ivan, you look tired. And I don't know about you, but when people tell me that I look tired, I take it offensive, and I'm like, you know what? Thank you for telling me positive things. I really need to hear that when I'm down. So yeah, I panicked when I woke up today. Yesterday I was up like 3 or 4%. This morning I was down to 1%. Did I get out at 1%? Give or take. But then some other things happened, and then it went lower, and then I'm lost, and I'm like, bang. It's already a week. How was trade today? So I can. There's a Discord channel. I know you're in there, and I've showed you my trading today. So here it is. This is how I have traded for everyone to see, nobody to not look. This is New Zealand dollar. This is taken earlier today. I bought. We can also maybe do some comparison. Maybe can we do some comparison? So New Zealand. Take that away. Take that away. So I bought, as you can see, I bought the double bottom, higher high, higher low, and I bought it here apparently. And I then went for higher high, higher low, bought it there. That didn't go well. Went lower again, that's back to drawdown, I'm in loss, goes back up again, buy that one again, and I probably have that as buying. Yeah, there's a buying opportunity there. There's a bullish daily zone. Great. Comes back down again after that. Takes there again. Think that is the buy zone for the next day. And then it comes back down again, and I am out because I didn't think that should have. I should have closed that one, so that's basically the same trade. But yeah, give or take. So if you're wondering how my trading system is working and how I actually trade, this is how I actually trade. There was New Zealand, then we have the euro, if you really want to see. I feel like I want to show you. Bought this low here, bought this low here. Also the same thing as New Zealand. I should have, and I don't know, I think I have, but I probably should have an entry here, and I think I probably have the entry here, but it never came down there. So that is a bummer. And then it comes back down again, break even, buys again on Friday, goes in and out in profit, goes out in up in profit, and back down again, and I'm out. So yeah, that's me. There you go. How's that going for you? Did you guys like that I went through my trading now? I can only see 13 people here, but like, yeah. Pound dollar is already starting to reverse upwards. I don't know if it's reversal though, but okay. Did you write something today? No, I didn't write something today. I will see the Discord you sent me today. Okay. Send something in Discord. Investing.com commentary on Euro. Okay. This is what you want me to see. Latest on Euro. And again, this is just a bunch of people trading here. I guess. Done. Is I'm investing. Okay, let me take that away. Okay, so what am I going to do here? Vote to see results. Bullish. Good to see that. Yeah, we'll take that later. So I asked you guys a question about, did you like to see that I went through my trading? Can you live trade someday, gambler? Yeah, I felt I live traded last week though. Love you the best. We fight the both. Thank you. Um, yeah. Okay, so I want real answers. Did anyone like that I went through my trading, or is that just absolutely bullcrap? That just leave that alone to somebody else. That could be somebody else's thing to look at. Yeah, okay. I will look for this Raid Slayer guy. Yeah, I don't know where you are trading. Well, I tried to, like here it says you're not there, so probably you're somewhere in these pages. But I don't know what I'm doing here though. What's the point? What's the purpose? For you, maybe I've posted your charts or something. That would be probably more useful for me. But yeah, I can see it. All right. 8 out of 10. Yeah. 8 out of 10. Why is it 8 out of 10, Babu? Really? So now you guys are rating my trading. Okay. Fantastic. Thank you. Okay, I will go look. Why are you freaking out, gambler? Okay, let's do dollar. Okay. Australian dollar. Euro dollar. Well, nothing as much has changed. And as you can see here, we are going down, 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 down. So we don't have a higher low yet. For Aussie, we are also down, 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 down. We don't have a higher low yet. For pound, we have down, 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 down. We don't have a higher low yet. So yes, I do agree we can have a day tomorrow where we go higher high. The only one that is actually now a bit higher low is actually New Zealand. Maybe the only one. But yeah, it is really good. All right, I will try better. Since I didn't get to last 2%, I don't know what that would be. Would that be like a million trades and everyone went skyrocket or something? Like I can't control the market, bros. All right. Can't imagine I've been here for 1 hour. So I hope you guys have been enjoyed. I really hope you have enjoyed today, and I also hope that you guys are seeing my content till the end. And I know who of you who don't comment on my video, but still watches them. And I feel like for the YouTube algorithm, but also for you to show some appreciation. And for you, it's free to give it a comment, to give it a like. That's all Tone Lift is only free. Maybe I'm asking for too much. I will maybe stop that then. But for me, generally speaking, now, I have tried to create some momentum in my YouTube things, and it goes okay. So after I took off the live, after I took off the what you call it, after I took off the monetization on these videos, it has gone up. Hello, just saw my live stream. You know what? Very much welcome. I don't know your name because you have Russian letters, but what would you? I don't know if you are Russian though. Dobro polzavolvat. Pocaluvat. Dobro polzavolvat. Probably should know that, but yeah, try. What's the retails? Yeah, well, you can do that. It's a bit all over the place. It's still in between on Euro. Aussie is still in between. Pound is still a bit in between, but still okay. But yeah. So it's not necessarily anything else than New Zealand is the one that has the most extreme further away from each other. So 63. So yeah. They have shorted that one, so that's pretty great. Gold, bullish, more shorts coming in. That's great. Oil, more buys coming in. So I probably should fold then. But yeah. What can I help you with? You can ask questions. You know, people are talking as much as they want here. You know, there's a free world in this part of the world. Yeah. So please, I will try to help you out. Are you winning, son? Gunther. Willkommen. Willkommen bist du gehabt. Und herzlich willkommen. And then I would say, yes, I was on Friday, and then today it all fell down again, so no. I was crushing it last week, but this week it fell. But yeah, that's how it is, I guess. Job wise today, great, fantastic. That's fantastic, everyone. Great. Just check the sound. How much are you actually hearing? You never know. Maybe you're not hearing anything at all. You're just like, ah, what are you doing? What are you talking about? Dette Geir. It's just renovating the bathroom. Tip of the day. Be patient. Maybe talk to your wife instead of talking to the Forex market today. and then you probably want to continue to sell dollar when opportunities comes. Currently, it's not there. Don't lose hope. We are still going to go higher on euro, even though if it takes a couple of weeks. So tip of the day is stay positive, don't lose hope, and we are going to get there. It's just a bit of a dent in the road, that's all. Maybe I should have a better trading. November was amazing. December was amazing. I don't know if we will ever get that amazingness back again, but we will just wait for that to happen. What's the best time frame for day trading? 1 hour. Should I look for years data or just past month for market activity? You should probably look for the past week, 1.5 weeks, 2 weeks ish, just immediate. Like if I'm going to day trade tomorrow, as a buyer, I will buy here, I will buy here, I will buy here, I will take a break here. So I'm still taking a break. I want a higher high, higher low. And that's enough for me. So I will maybe look for buys tomorrow. If I go higher, if it doesn't, I don't care. And if I'm selling, I will look for sell here, I would look for sell here, I would look for sell here, sell here, sell here, sell here, sell here. I will take a break. I will no longer sell. Why? Because this doesn't go lower. Then, yeah, 1 hour is enough. And you probably want to check it around 23 p.m., which is market close, in 2 hours. Pushing hard the upside above the 200. Are you the one? Yeah, that's the only one. The 1/5/17th, the option is 1/21/19. Sure, not sure if it reaches, but it's one sell active, pending, active at 1960, pending 1975 to 120, in case 60 pip each, and down to 1800s. Okay. I don't know, the one. We should look for the one then. Okay. Thank you very much, everyone. I am absolutely exhausted, and I probably need to talk to some of my mentorship students now, so I want to die. So, all right. Have a great day. Have a great life. Don't do things I wouldn't do, especially don't make your mother-in-law pregnant. All right. Boom.